Let me ask you this anyway. Do you think too much before posting your work, starting something new, or making a decision about your own art? Do you keep going back and forth in your mind, unsure of what is right or wrong? If overthinking is slowing you down, this video is definitely for you. Many artists, they get stuck in their own thoughts. They analyze every small step, every decision, and every single outcome of theirs. Instead of moving forward, they stay stuck in their head. This creates delay, and the delay creates frustration. You may spend hours thinking about what to post, what to say, or how people will react. But by the time you decide, the energy is already gone. Action gets replaced by your own doubt. Here is something important you need to hear. Overthinking is not intelligence, it is lack of clarity. When your path is unclear, your mind tries to protect you by analyzing everything that you do. You are not confused because you are incapable of thinking right. You are confused because you don't have a clear direction. You don't have a guidance. You don't have a system. Clarity reduces overthinking naturally. Most artists want perfect decisions. They don't want to make mistakes or be judged by people. This need for perfectionism creates a lot of hesitation, and that hesitation slows down your growth. When you accept that mistakes are part of the journey, your mind relaxes. You stop trying to control everything that you do. Action becomes easier. Progress starts happening since the actions are easier. Empowerment begins when you decide to trust action more than your thoughts. And that action gives the real feedback. Thinking only creates assumption, but experience builds a lot of confidence. You don't need to know everything before starting. You only need to know the next step. You don't need complete certainty. You only need a starting point, and movement creates a lot of clarity. When artists follow a simple plan, overthinking reduces. Decisions become easier. They stop questioning every step. That mental freedom improves clarity. Imagine taking action without second guessing yourself. Imagine feeling so calm while making decisions about your art and your journey. Imagine trusting your journey instead of doubting it. That peace is absolutely possible with guidance. If you are ready to stop overthinking and start moving forward with clarity, comment Art Business below. That one step can change how you take decisions.